Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to make your iPhone app icons like this. In iOS 18 version, you will be able to customize your app icon. To do that, make sure to update your iPhone iOS to 18. Once done, go to your iPhone home screen and hard press on a blank space. And now tap on Edit at the top left corner. And tap on Customize. And then here you will find your app icon editor. To make your app icon large, select here large icon. I'm selecting here small icon. And now to make your iPhone app icon completely dark, select tint. Once you selected tint, you have to use this second slider and just decrease it. Select here only white, and that's it. That's how we can completely make our iPhone app icon dark. So currently I'm dark mode using for my app icon. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.